welcome back to this channel. My name is Jennifer. If you are new, welcome. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get informed every time I upload. So today I'm going to be reviewing my... So let me get my... I think I lost it. Let's use this Tarte shape in fair beige. This is a L'Oreal sponge. So if you want to be entered to a surprise giveaway, I actually am gonna put it in my Facebook. I'm sorry, in my Instagram tonight. Just make sure to be subscribed to my channel and sign up, and hopefully you'll be the lucky winner. So now I'm gonna set my eyes with this Tarte Amazonian clay powder. Very nice. I don't know if it's gonna give any flashbacks, but so I'm just gonna let it be there for a couple of seconds. Alright, so now let's do our eyebrows.
Actually very nice. I really like this. As you might tell, I have very dark eyebrows, so I really don't need to do this much. Look at that. Perfect. Now, here. This is very nice. I would actually purchase it again.
So I started to watch what's his name, Mondo, Brad Mondo, or so, I really don't know his name. I'm in love with him. He's so adorable. He's so funny. Like, I want to know where his salon in New York is. I want to go get my hair done by him, because God, my hair needs help. So I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Pro Pencil and base 2, so I can define the eyebrows a little bit more. So I just go here. I'm gonna do a tutorial maybe on Friday or so, talking about what I do with my hair to get it all curly and crap, and the care that I do and what I specifically use on my hair. I used to dye my hair like crazy when I was in middle school. I was literally fried off already. But thank the Lord I stopped it. Gonna try to take this off because I look dead. So for my eyes today, I used the peach palette. So I'm gonna go into Pure or Puree. I have no idea what you want to call it. And I'm gonna be using this little brush that came in my set. This is very nice. And I'm gonna be going into Super Yum. Smells super yummy. Okay. Now I'm gonna do some blush and highlighter. Since I didn't do it, I'm gonna be using my Smashbox powder highlighter. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a photo strip. And I'm gonna be dipping into on my Wet n Wild little brushes here. So I'm going to be dipping into my Shiseido bronzer, light clear. And you know what? I'm just going to go with the same brush because I can't be bothered. I'm going to go around my temples. That's much better. Skin girl. Get rid of that double chin. I think we look a little bit more alive. So I'm gonna go now back into the highlighter, and I'm gonna use that's sort of like a white champagne color. Oh, that actually has like a purple, pink purple one. It's kind of cute. And then here in the temple area, because when the sun hits, those are like your spots where the sun's gonna hit, and it's kind of like, boom, girl, she's gonna be looking cute and highlighted. Cupid's bow. A little bit here on the shoulder. So I'm gonna use this one, the London. It came with the IPSY Glam Bag. Actually, the color looks much nicer in person. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my face with some Mary Badescu, just to melt everything together so it looks so powdery. It smells good. Learned this trick from Miss Laura Lee. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks so much more like natural, like skin. It doesn't look so powdery. So I just need to put mascara on my lower lashes. I didn't do it today because we were doing the powder. I'm just gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex. Okie dokie. Alright, so let's go over this product. So I really do enjoy this one from Tarte, the powder, but I don't know if there's gonna be a flashback. We'll see. It was nice though. Love this color. It's very natural, but still gives you a little pop. Nothing, you know, out of this world, which is very nice. Now this is a good one, the brush. It's really nice. Very soft and fluffy, and it does its job. Yes, I love this one. I liked how it made my eyebrows look, and very easy, so that's a plus. I know that this face masks do work, just from my personal experience in the past, because I've used them. And let's talk about how cute this, oh, never mind. How cute this little bag is. It's adorable. You know, it's like all the stamps of whichever place you have visited. And it's very cute. I hope one day I have as many in my passport. I have a couple, not that many. So, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm still working on my setup, as you can see. So I've gotten a lot of good feedback from a lot of you guys. I didn't expect to get any feedback back. So I was like, I think I'm just not gonna do it anymore. And then I've been receiving very nice comments and a couple messages from you guys. And it's like, okay, let me keep going then. I guess somebody likes my videos. So thank you so much, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, because I'll be telling you guys what gift surprise I'm gonna be giving, what giveaway. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you in the next one. Bye, guys.